Hey, good afternoon. This is Christopher Covert, Associate Broker with Saunders & Associates in Bridgehampton, New York, with this week's luxury real estate market report. Today is Wednesday, March 13th. Very quickly, over the last week, 35 deals have gone into contract across the Hamptons. 5 of the deals were between 3 and 6 million, 4 between 2 and 3 million. There were 26 deals under 2 million. Nothing big, nothing huge here, but good activity, and we're seeing an increased pickup in activity on properties that have closed. We had 15 deals in the Hamptons close in the last week for a total of over $40 million. Couple to note here, 139 South Main Street in Southampton. That closed at $8,375,000, and the last ask on that was $7,995,000. So that looks like that went in over ask. Another significant one, 11 Robertson in North Haven. That's a waterfront 2.9 acre parcel. That closed at $7,500,000. What's interesting on this one is back in 2014, this property went into, was listed at $22 million. Back in September, that came back at a realistic 8.9. In January, it dropped another million down just under 8 and found a deal. So price adjustment there working. And another one interesting in Amagansett, 15 Green Tree. That closed at $6,146,000. And this also was above ask. The last ask there was just under 6 million. So 2 deals closing above ask. Again, reduction from the original listing price of 11.5. Last fall it was 8 million, quickly reduced down to 6. Found a deal. So sellers, take note. Correct pricing is getting deals, and in some cases people are doing better with above ask closings. On just sort of an overall, the market has definitely seemed to continue its pickup here in March as we get into spring. Anecdotally, a lot of brokers telling me that they are slammed. Really busy. That's great. We're seeing activity, and I can certainly tell you the roads are getting busy, the restaurants are getting busy, people want to get out here. We've had some beautiful weather, and I think people feel summer's coming, so anyone that hasn't made plans seems to be rushing to get in there, whether it be a rental or a purchase. Just a couple more things to keep in mind when considering real estate. Last week we looked at some broader economic information. Of course, with the ECB downgrade on the economy, economic outlook there, with some broader weakness globally. I think what we'll see here in the United States, long-term U.S. interest rates should continue to decline, which I think will help buyers with lower interest rates, and that whole fear of raising interest rates is definitely not happening with disinflation sort of ranging across Europe and Asia. So good time to buy. Market is humming. Sellers seem to be coming to terms with some realistic market conditions, and there's a lot of great inventory. So that's a quick look at the report. We'll see you next week. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.